A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will be doing the back exercises of lesson 4 I want in the textbook. So watch the video carefully and be ready with your pencil to complete the exercises. Take out page number 32 in your textbook. As you can see, the first question, put a tick or a cross against the following sentences. That means it is similar to true and false. There is a box in front of each statement, and in that box we will put a tick if the statement is correct and put a cross if the statement is wrong. So let's read the statements. When I am reading the statements, make sure that you recall what has happened in the story. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. This is the first statement and it is the correct one. So there is a tick. A wise woman does not hear him. It is the wrong statement. So we will put a cross. She gives him a wand. It is the correct statement. So we will put a tick. A giraffe stretches his long neck. Yes, this statement is correct. So there will be a tick. The elephant has no trunk. It is wrong statement. Elephant was having a trunk. So it is a wrong statement. We will put a cross. The zebra has stripes. We will put a tick here because it is a correct statement. The monkey sees a monster in the river. Monkey sees a monster in the river, but it was not a monster. It was the image of monkey himself. So we will put a cross because it was not a real monster. After completing this exercise, just check your answers with this answer key and do it very carefully, students, and read the statements loudly as I did. Now we will move to next exercise in page number 35. This exercise is about matching. At one side you can see the names of the creatures given: a bee, a cow, a lion and a bird. And on the other side the groups of these animals are given. These all are nouns. Actually, the names of the animals, as you know, is a noun, and the names of their groups is also a type of noun, that is collective noun. You will learn about this in your later classes. See the first example. A pride of lions. That means the group of lion is known as a pride. A group of bird is known as a flock. A group of bees is known as a swarm of bees. A group of cows, cattle, sheep, buffalo is known as a herd of cows. Understood? So let's do the matching. So you will match now a bee to the swarm of bees. Draw a line like this. A cow to the herd of cow. A lion to pride of lion. A bird to the flock of birds. So isn't it easy? So try it out, students, and complete your work in your textbook. Now let's move to the next exercise in page number 36. Here some words are given which does not have any meaning. They are wrong. So you have to arrange the letters in an order to make the correct word. Like the two examples are given. OT is changed into TO2. SIC is not a word, so we have changed it into is. Is. Similarly, EH can be done as he, GIB as big, MIH as him, SIH as his, REH as her and NAC as can. See this answer key if you need help, but try it yourself first. Next exercise is a homework for you. Examples are already given, so try, students, to do and complete. We will see you soon in our next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day.